How to create or open Footlocker account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create or open Footlocker account. For that, you want to open up any web browser and head over to footlocker.com. Now, you want to click on the option of sign in/join. Here, if you already have an account, you can enter your email address, password and click on the sign in option. If you do not have an account, click on the Create an Account option. Here, you will have to fill up some details in order to create your account. So go ahead and enter your first name. After that, enter your last name. Next, you want to enter your birthday, so enter your month on one box and year on another. Then enter the US zip code. Now select your gender from this drop-down menu. After that, you want to enter your email address. Now create a new password. Make sure that you create a strong password. Then you will have to enter your mobile number. After you have entered all these necessary details, click on the Submit option. Once all these details have been verified, your new Footlocker account will be created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.